We've been walking for hours. We've got to quicken our pace. The Lich King is defenseless without us.
I left many of my warriors at Icecrown before I came to find you, Death Knight. They will hold the line for as long as they are able.
Tell me, where are all of your people? Shouldn't there be Nerubians around here, undead or otherwise?
I've been wondering about that myself. Something must have driven them all off.
We did, you rotting bastards! We've been watching you all along!
Muradin's dwarves. Impossible. Doesn't anyone stay dead anymore?
We've been wandering this forsaken land ever since you killed Muradin and left us to rot at us. Our leader, Baelgun, led us into the ruined city to survive. But there's no way we're letting you in.
We have no time for these games. Saphiron, attack! Well done, mighty Saphiron. I wish we could take you with us, but the confines of the Dark Earth are no place for you.
The Lich King's time is running short. We must hurry.
What is it now?
Speak.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
For Kazmatan!
Make your choice.
No one orders me around.
A pint for every ghoul you blast!
I'll see to it.
Finally. Speak, fool.
Time is fleeting.
Tread lightly.
I have heard the
What is
summons.
it now? No one orders me around.
My
What
might
is it
cannot be matched.
At last.
I serve only the frozen throne. Must be limited. Must be limited.
Speak, fool. Tread lightly.
Set off the charges! Blow the bridge before they get across!
No! Stop them before they...
That was for Muradin. Now you'll never get across.
There are other passages through the labyrinth, Death Knight. We will find another way.
No one orders me around. No one orders
Kill them all twice, that's what I say.
lightly.
Our forces are under attack.
What is it now? Speak, fool. At last. Tread lightly. What is it now? For the Lich King. Finally.
I have heard the summons.
Speak, fool. No one orders me around. Tread lightly. What is it now? You will know endless torment. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. At last.
Time is fleeting. I'll consume the living
No
and
one
the
orders
dead.
me around.
Oblivion
Speak,
awaits. My might
Gold. We should take this with us. Tread lightly. Finally. No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it.
I serve only the frozen throne.
Speak, fool.
Time is fleeting.
What is it now? Speak, fool. Tread lightly. I'll make sure you suffer.
My might cannot be matched.
No one orders me around.
I serve only the frozen throne.
What is it now? Tread lightly. No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
Speak.
What is it now?
I heard the summons.
What is it now? These Nerubians are your kin. Why are they hostile to us?
Many of us who fell during the War of the Spider were brought back to serve the Lich King. These warriors, however, never died. Foolishly, they still fight to liberate Nerub from the Scourge.
Finally. Faithless coward.
Time is fleeting. I await.
Tread lightly. Your pain shall be legendary. More gold. This might help us later. Now, Frostmourne.
Speak. Indubitably.
Tread lightly. This is more like it.
My might cannot be matched.
What is it now? This is more like it.
I serve only the frozen throne.
No one orders
I
me
have heard
around.
the summons. Kinky. By Nerub.
Speak, fool. What is it now? Finally. This place looks like an old storage silo. It's a dead end, Nubarak.
There must be a hidden passage somewhere. We Nerubians were crafty engineers in our time. Indubitably.
Tread lightly. No one orders me around.
This is an ancient Nerubian hoarding cell. We kept most of our treasures hidden in chambers like this. The passage to the lower depths lies just beyond this room.
Great. As long as we're here, we can take some of these items with us.
Indubitably. I'll see to it. Feel the venom of Nerub.
Speak, fool. Ah, at last. I'll make sure you suffer. Frostmourne hungers.
Speak.
More gold. Take all you can carry. At last. No one orders me around.
Time is fleeting.
Speak, fool.
My might cannot be matched.
Tread lightly. Finally. This is more like it.
I serve only the frozen throne. I'll consume the living and the dead. Kinky. By Nerub.
What is it now?
I
Frostmourne
have heard the
hungers.
summons.
Speak, fool.
I I serve only the frozen throne. Indubitably.
Don't even try it, you bastard! That there treasure belongs to the dwarves!
This treasure belongs to the Lich King, little creature. We, his servants, shall take what we will.
Finally. What is it now? What is it now?
This is for Maradin, you bastards!
Speak, fool. Ah, at last. No one orders me around. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. Tread lightly. This is more like it. Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Finally.
It's them! Blast them!
As we move around. Speak. Ah, at last. Ah, at last. No one orders me around. Finally. Frostmourne hungers. Tread lightly. Your pain shall be legendary. This is more like it.
Damned undead! Slay them all!
This is more like it. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Speak, fool.
Proceed.
Tread lightly. Finally.
Time is fleeting.
No one orders me around. This is more like it. Ah, at last.
Our forces are under attack.
Frostmourne hungers. Finally.
Shoot anything that shuffles or skitters!
What is it now? Finally. No one orders me around. Speak, fool.
My might cannot be matched. Speak.
What is it now? Faithless coward. Frostmourne hungers. This is more like it. Ah, at last. Ah, at last.
Time is fleeting.
Tread lightly. Finally. This is more like it. Frostmourne hungers. Ah, at last.
Good times now.
Speak, fool. Frostmourne hungers.
I remember you, evil prince. You're the one that killed poor Muradin.
Get over it already.
I won't let you through this door, traitor. The recent quakes have awakened dark things under the ice. Ancient, horrid things. We've vowed to keep them locked where they are.
We'll take our chances, dwarf. We're going through that door, one way or another. This is more like it. What is it now? Tread lightly. No one was moved around. Move around. Finally. This is more like it. What is it now?
I have heard the summons. I'll see to it. I'll consume the living
Speak,
and
fool.
the dead.
The air smells awful in here. Something doesn't feel right.
If the dwarf's story was true, there's no telling what awaits us in the darkness. This stairwell leads into the heart of the old Nerubian Empire. We must be cautious.
By all means. You first.